Welcome to my video on unboxing this HD smartphone lens. It's a macro lens made by this APEXEL. See what I got here? I'm going to test it out. Okay, it comes in this nice little case, and here's the lens. It looks like it has a lens cap. It looks nice. This should give me about a 10x close-up. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm not going to read the manual. It does have a manual. Let's see if it's Chinese. Yeah, it's one of those manuals in multiple languages, but it does have some pictures, so if I get stuck, I can try to figure it out. But I think I know how this works. Okay, so now I'm going to take this out. It's got a little cleaning kit in there, which is good. So I'm going to set this aside and get busy on taking my first video. All right, adjust this, put it on my smartphone, iPhone 15. And this looks like a little clamp for a light or a microphone. Put that there. I need to test my camera, take a video. We'll see which one of these lenses is actually, I think it's that one. Yeah, it's that one. Okay, so put this on here. Put that. Get it centered right over the lens of the camera so I get the best possible picture. Now I'm tightening this screw right here to make sure it's just secure, not over tightening, just getting enough tightened where it feels secure. Now I'm going to put this lens on. It's got another lens cap on it. I'm back. I went and got a pair of needle nose pliers to try to get that off there. Hope I'm not screwing something up. There we go. It just looks like a regular cap. It's on there pretty hard. Okay, now screw that on there. Try to. Okay, this is not going as easy as I thought. There it goes. It takes a little bit to get it threaded. Don't get it cross-threaded. It should fit on there pretty easily once you get it on there. Now, let's see if I've got... Okay, there we go. Okay, here's a little penny I've got. I want to see what it looks like up close. Okay, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that's a nice close-up image of that penny. I need to get better focus. There we go. Now let's switch it to video. See how that looks. Yeah, that gives a pretty nice close-up image of the coin. A lot closer than I would get with a regular camera. So the lens does seem to be working. You get a nice image too. Lighting is always a problem with these real close-up images. Look at the back of it real quick. And then there's the back of it. So it all seems to be working. Thank you for watching. Hope you got something out of this.